Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to swap tokens within Trust Wallet. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Next, locate the Swap or dApps browser icon, typically found at the bottom of the screen. This feature allows you to exchange one cryptocurrency for another directly within your wallet, utilizing integrated decentralized exchanges. Understanding this process is key to managing your diverse crypto portfolio efficiently and securely, all from one convenient place. Before initiating any swap, it is crucial to prepare your wallet properly. Ensure you possess enough of the token you intend to swap from, plus a small amount of the network's native cryptocurrency, like BNB for Binance Smart Chain, to cover transaction fees. These fees are essential for processing your transaction on the blockchain. Always double-check that both the token you are swapping from and the token you wish to receive are supported by the chosen decentralized exchange. To perform the swap, tap on the swap icon. You will then select the token you wish to exchange in the You Pay field and the token you want to receive in the You Get field. Enter the exact amount you want to swap. The wallet will display an estimated exchange rate and the associated network fees. Carefully review all the details, including the slippage tolerance, before confirming your transaction. A quick review helps prevent errors. After confirming your swap, the transaction will be sent to the blockchain for processing. You can usually monitor its status in the transactions history section of your wallet. While most swaps complete within a few minutes, network congestion can sometimes cause delays. If a swap fails or remains pending for an extended period, try adjusting the slippage tolerance slightly or checking the network status. Your funds are typically safe, even if a transaction takes longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.